Hey, hi, we're going to see how you can delete your OmiTV account completely. And also we're going to see how you can actually sign up for OmiTV without using their app. Okay. Now, if you don't want to use their app, first of all, you can just go to Google, search OmiTV, you'll find it, then you just click on OmiTV website. Okay. It's omitv.com, sorry, .tv. Okay. You can just go directly to www.omi.tv. Now, if you want to sign up without using your phone, you just have to actually click on continue with Google. Now, before you continue with Google, what I will advise you is to create a separate Gmail which can handle OmiTV communications and all that data you get, because sometimes you really want to remain anonymous. You just don't want to connect OmiTV to your main Gmail. Now, for example, me, sometimes I prefer being anonymous when it comes to online. So I created a Gmail. I already have a Gmail. So this is the Gmail that I'm going to use to connect with Omi. If you don't have a Gmail, you can create one. If you already have a Gmail and you don't mind connecting to Omi, then that is okay. Click on continue with Google. Then you choose the account. It's here. Then click on continue. You may have to log in if you're not logged into your Gmail, but me, I'm already logged in. Choose all the options that Omi is trying to tell you. I'm going to tick all of them. Then continue. Okay, when you continue, you have created actually the Omi TV account. Now, it's telling me you have no access to, you have denied access to your devices. Your partners will not be able to see you and hear you. The reason why for me it's telling me that because I've actually rejected linking it to my camera, and I really don't want to link it to my camera for now. So I'm going to leave it like this. Okay, but in your case, you have to give the permissions to the app if you want to allow your camera and your audio. Okay, so you'll be done with creating the account. Okay, you can stop it from here, you can start it from here, you can, the gender is here, the country is here, you can change the country. Okay, I'm currently in Uganda. I can maybe say, let me go to Australia, something like that. So when you change the country, you get chances of actually having the people, chatting with the people from that country. All right. Now, Omi TV has some issues depending on your phone that you're using. Now, one of the before actually, okay, let's see how you want to delete the account. But before I show you how to delete the account, let me try to advise someone who's using this app that if you block a lot of people within like, let me say 4 minutes or 5 minutes, let me say actually within like 30 minutes, if you block like more than like 3 people, actually your account can be blocked. So because there's a lot of crazy people on this app, so you may end up actually, blocking everyone, So don't do that, because that is one of the reasons why some people actually get blocked on OmiTV. If you have to block people, try to do like 2 people within like 30 minutes. If you do so many within 30 minutes, your account will be blocked. Okay. Now, in case your account gets blocked on OmiTV, you may have to actually pay a fee to unblock your account, or just actually connect to another internet connection and another browser. If you're using maybe, let me say, a computer as me, you just have to use another browser, maybe Mozilla, maybe Chrome, whatever. Currently I'm using Microsoft Edge, so I can just switch to Chrome, then I sign up with another email, then I get access to Omi TV again. Or you may have to actually pay them some money. I think it's around like, is it $12? So some of the people are getting banned on Omi TV not because they are doing really something wrong, but sometimes your IP address can get banned by mistake. Okay, I think it may be a glitch. And what I can say is don't expect angels on this app. Some people are kind of, crazy. Others are rude, something like that. Now, if I want to delete my account on this platform, there's nothing like your account here. I think it's the only menu that I can see, and there's nothing like, deleting your account. So what you do is, if I want to delete this account, what I do is I go to my Gmail, which I connected it with. I click on that profile pic, click on manage your Google account. Then I go to security. Under security, I go to scroll down where you have your connection to third-party apps and services. I click on see all. Then I will see one OmitTV, so I can click on it here. Then you have to scroll down to delete all your connections you have with OmitTV. Now, when you do this, they'll tell you like what happens to your data when you your OmitTV and data you share with OmitTV will not be deleted. If you want to delete the data and info you share with OmitTV, with OmitTV. So what I do is I kind of confirm. Okay. Now your access to OmitTV will be revoked. You will no longer be connected your Gmail OmitTV. Now, what happens to OmitTV data? We really not know sure. We don't know really for sure what happens. But if you want to be really sure that your content is deleted, you can try to actually sign in again with the same email. There, most cases, people say it overrides the whole data with a new file. But for me, the moment I unlink my account from OmitTV, I'm sure that, yep, that is done, because if the account doesn't have the email connected to it, that is a ghost account, okay? So, but to be 100% sure, if you really want to be really sure, I advise you try to connect the OmitTV again to your, to your Gmail. After disconnecting it again, after disconnecting, you try to connect it again, because that kind of overrides whatever the information may have stored with the empty data. But to me, just disconnecting my email, I think that is okay for me. Okay. So let me know what you think, if this video has been helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. If you're interested in videos like this that review random apps, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.